So today I'll be showing you how to add music to your WhatsApp status update. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to your respective app store, either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and update the WhatsApp application just to make sure you're running the latest features. So just go there and check if you have a pending update. If you do, your app store will let you know, and then you can go ahead and update your WhatsApp Messenger application. Once you do that, you can now go back to the WhatsApp application, and then let's go ahead and create a status update. So I'll go to updates, and then I'll tap on the plus symbol to create a new one. And then as you create your status update, you will see this music icon in the top right there, in the top menu there. So you can tap on that, and that's going to open up the music library, and you can choose from any of these popular trending music, or you can search for a specific song. So let's say I want to search for Good Life. So from the search results, you can see I've found what I wanted. There it is. I'm just going to reduce volume for copyright reasons. But there's the music. You can go and sample different songs by just tapping on the play button. And if you find one that you like, you can tap on the arrow facing right, and then you can position to exactly the point of the song that you want in your status update, and have a listen, and then tap on done. And now our status update has music. So from here, you can now proceed with the other functions of WhatsApp status update. You can add stickers, you can add some text, you can put in a caption like that. Let me just reduce this volume further. Just like that. And then when you're happy with everything, you can now post your WhatsApp status. So it's currently posting, as you can see. Now, once it's posted, when people come to watch my WhatsApp status, they'll just tap on it, and it's gonna play music. And also, as you can see, it shows the name of the song at the top there, okay? And they can always tap on that song and see exactly what song it is. And they can also use that song to create their own WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.